What's up, everyone? Today we're diving into how to run Flux BNB NF4 in ComfyUI. I'll walk you through my process of solving the issue of the missing NF4 checkpoint node. Let's get started. I'll show you 3 methods for installing and running the Flux BNB NF4 model in ComfyUI. There are many ways to address issues when running NF4 in ComfyUI, but the methods I'll be showing you are based solely on my research. They may not be the only solutions, but they work. Now let's install the NF4 checkpoint node. Let's visit OpenArt AI to download the NF4 workflow that we can use to test after installing the NF4 node. Let's type NF4. Here are the workflows for NF4. Let's look for one here. The workflow here will also help us install and run Flux NF4 in ComfyUI. Let's use this. This is the one I used in my previous video. Let's check out this NF4 version 2 and read the description. If you scroll down, you will see the description, workflow, and instructions on how to use and install the nodes and model. Let's check the other image for its description and instructions. Like this one, guys, let's check the instructions. It says here that we need to install Bits and Bytes NF4. It's available on the GitHub website. Let's go back to the Flux NF4 version 2 workflow and download it. Just click the download button here. Before we go to the GitHub website, let's check this workflow first. We need these 2 nodes, SDXL Empty Latent Size Picker and Checkpoint Loader NF4. Let's first try using the Install Missing Node feature in the ComfyUI Manager. Just press Install Missing Custom Nodes. Okay, found one, ComfyUI Essentials. I think this is for the SDXL latent node. Let's click Install, apply the changes, and restart. Alright, it's done, but the node for NF4 is still missing. Let's try the Install Missing Node feature again and see if we can install it there. Nope, nothing found. If you don't see the node here, try checking in the Custom Nodes Manager. Just type NF4 in the search bar. If your ComfyUI is updated, you should be able to see it here. If not, try updating ComfyUI. Now let's install and restart. Alright guys, we've successfully installed the NF4 checkpoint nodes. Now let me show you another method to install NF4. We need to install it manually. Let's install it using git clone. Let's go back to OpenArt AI and copy the URL. Then go to the Custom Nodes folder and install it there. Open Command Prompt. Type git clone space paste the URL. Here's the NF4 checkpoint nodes folder. It means we successfully installed it. Go back to Command Prompt and install the requirements text. Type this command, pip install-r requirements.txt. Press Enter. Oops, sorry guys, my mistake. It should be installed inside this folder. Let's restart ComfyUI. Still missing. This is a common issue encountered by those installing NF4 nodes. If you run into this after completing the installation procedure, just follow the steps I'm going to show. This is just one of the possible ways to solve the missing NF4 node issue. First, check if the folders bits and bytes 0.43.3 dis-info and bits and bytes are missing from the Python embedded directory. If these folders are present, don't proceed with the steps I'm about to show, as the issue might be different on your system. But if these two folders are missing, follow my instructions. Go to your user directory, open the app data folder, go to local and open, and look for the programs folder. Then go to the Python folder, followed by Python 3.10. Look for library folder. Look for the site packages directory and copy these two folders. Paste them into the site packages folder of the ComfyUI Windows portable directory. After copying those folders, restart ComfyUI. Alright guys, the issue is resolved. Let's check the NF4 workflow. Here is the checkpoint loader NF4 node. You will find this in the Node Loaders section. You'll find this Clip Text Encoder Flux in the Advanced Loaders section under Flux. Try using this node, guys. I think this node is designed for Flux. Let's check the other nodes to see if there are any additional nodes or models that we need to download and install. Here's the node of SDXL latent size picker that we installed. I think this is okay. Everything used here is available. Let's run it to see if there are any errors. Oops, there's an error. Let's check. The model is different. Flux dev BNB. Let's try again. Okay guys, it works now. Look at this, guys. The image is very realistic, like it's taken from a movie, right? Among the three models I tested, GGUF and NF4 are almost equally fast. However, I don't notice the details very much. Check it out yourself, guys. Now guys, let's proceed to the easiest and most accurate way to run Flux NF4 in ComfyUI. However, this method is not advisable, especially if you've already done a lot of configuration in your ComfyUI. And I have read some comments in the community that Flux NF4 in the newly released web UI is slower than the older version. I haven't noticed this issue myself. Maybe you guys can check it out. In your ComfyUI manager, you will see the latest release here. Just click to download. If you scroll down, you'll see the new features. And at the bottom, you'll find the date and version. Download this zip file, guys. This is the latest version of ComfyUI. By the way, guys, this PC I'm using now hasn't been installed with ComfyUI yet. It was just installed with ComfyUI now. The ComfyUI web interface here is completely newly installed. In this way, we can verify if the previous bugs and issues with the installation of Flux BNB NF4 have been fixed. Let's load the NF4 workflow. Now let's install the missing node using the ComfyUI manager. Guys, the ComfyUI manager is not included in the zip file. We need to install it separately. See guys, all the missing nodes are already available in the newly released ComfyUI. And the NF4 checkpoint node is already available here. There's no need to go to the custom node section. Right now, we only have 2 models available in the checkpoint nodes. Guys, the models that are here now are not included in the package. Let's place the NF4 model here. Now, refresh the web UI. Now let's generate an image using the Flux NF4 model. Check the clip text encoder, guys. This is divided into 2 sections. The upper section is the clip, and the lower section is the T5XXL. As you noticed, all the keywords are placed in the clip section, while the details are in the T5XXL section. Guys, let me show you the specs of the PC I am using now. I'm using an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU with 8 GB of VRAM and 32 GB of system RAM. Let's check how fast the NF4 is in ComfyUI. It takes around 2 minutes. The speed is almost the same as an SD Forge. Alright guys, I hope this video helps solve the issues you encounter when using the Flux NF4 model in ComfyUI. If you can't resolve the issue using the first and second methods, you might consider changing your web UI to the newly released version. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Until my next video, take care and have a great day. See you again soon.